Hi, boys and girls. I'm so glad that you've joined us for some fun in the kitchen. I have some special helpers today. I have Travis, and I have Christiana, and I have Cadence, and I have Ben. And guess what, boys and girls? We're going to be making walnut cookies.
I like cookies.
Oh, who else likes? You all like cookies? Boys and girls, do you like cookies? Well, guess what? You can watch how we make them, and then you can have an adult help you get the recipe because it's on our Tiny Tot website. So you can make them later. Okay, let's get started. We're going to make the first part of our recipe in our food processors. And what does Miss Cinda say about our food processors?
Don't stick your hands in the blenders.
That's right, because they're very sharp blades in there, and we do not want to cut our hands, do we? So don't put your hands in, okay? Remember? All right, let's take the lid off. Okay, first, you're going to measure out. I'll tell you what, I'll let the girls measure out the walnuts. You're going to need 2 cups of walnuts. So find your cup. Oh, Cadence, you already have your cup. Thank you, Ben.
That's your cup.
And then, boys,
Cup.
nope, that's half a cup. You need it to say 1. Very good, Travis. That's your 1 cup. The 1 cup, see how big it is, boys and girls? And it has a 1 on it, okay? So you're going to be 2. And make sure that when you're measuring, you get your cup full because you want your recipe to turn out right, right? Okay, boys, you can put in a half a cup of whole wheat flour. Travis and Ben, half a cup of whole wheat flour.
And this is whole wheat too?
Yes, that's whole wheat.
It's
2. You got 2, Cadence?
I got only 1.
That's right, Travis. That's good. A half a cup, boys and girls, will have a 1 and then a slash and then a 2 on it. Good job. Okay, put them in. Good job. Okay, let's get some more. Let's fill your cup up again.
What next, Miss Cinda?
And then, boys, you can put a half a cup of the oats. Half a cup of the oats. You put 1 cup in there.
Right?
Yes, put 1 cup in. And now put a half a cup of the oats, boys.
This is the oats, right?
Yes, that's the oats. Good job, Ben. Here's your oats. Put a half a cup of oats in. And then, can you help Cadence with her walnuts, Ben? Did you get your 2 cups of walnuts in? Good job, Christiana. Okay, let me look at my recipe. Okay, you can put your spices in. I've got cinnamon, nutmeg, and pumpkin pie spice. Boys, I need you to find...
Is it this one?
Let me see. Oh, no, you don't have to measure. I've already measured those for you. You can just dump that in, okay? Boys, we're going to need 1 teaspoon of salt. So find your 1 teaspoon. You found a 1 teaspoon! Find a 1 teaspoon, and you're going to get 1 teaspoon of salt. Okay?
Are you going to help me?
Would you like me to help you?
Yeah, because I can't get it.
Okay,
Both of these.
Okay, I'll help you. I'd be happy to. Hold it real still. There we go. There we go. 1 teaspoon of salt.
Can you hold that over?
Okay. Did you get yours in, Ben?
Let's get it mixed up.
Did you get? Oh, Ben, that's so nice. I love it when you boys help the little ones.
Dump it in there. That's
Good
enough.
job, guys. Okay. All right. Now, boys, you can put your lids on.
Miss Cinda. Me to the lid. Miss Cinda.
Yes, Ben?
A lot of times my mom uses whole wheat flour when she's baking.
Does she? And that's really good for you. And do you guys know that these are actually healthy cookies? Do you know that, boys and girls? Because walnuts are really healthy for you too, aren't they? Okay, boys and girls, we're gonna plug your ears. We're gonna turn them on. Okay, turn them on. Woo! Now we get to talk real loud. Yeah! Oh! Okay, turn them off. Good job. Okay, let's open them up and peek inside. Don't put your hands in. Just peek inside. Take your spatula and push the nut mixture down. And we'll do it one more time. Take your spatula. Oh, good job.
Push all this down.
Okay, and then put your lids on and do one more time. Is it pretty good, Ben?
Yep.
Good job. Okay, put your lid on.
Turn it on. Put the lid on.
You're gonna hold your ears already?
Now you're gonna talk really loud.
Want me to help you, Travis?
Yeah.
Okay, just one second. Here.
Ready?
Wait.
Set.
Go. You think you got loud? Okay, you can turn it off. Oh, that was fun. Okay, now let Miss Cinda do this. I'm going to take the blade out. Move your hands. Move your hands. I'm going to take your blade out. Okay? Now, no, wait. Let me tell you guys what to do. After I take your blade out, then take your mixture and dump it into that bowl. But I'm moving the blade way far away so we can't get hurt. Oh, yeah, don't put your hands in, remember? Just have an adult put your hand in. Okay.
There's a lot of crumbs stuck on there.
Yeah. Okay, now, Ben, you want to dump that in the other bowl?
Miss Cinda?
Yes?
Could you help us dump this
Oh,
in?
yes. Because you know why? They click on and off. Okay? You ready? You want to scrape the rest of that out? And I'm going to, while you're doing, you want to hold this for him, Christiana? Christiana, you want to hold that for him? And I'm going to move your blender so you can move your bowl over, okay?
That's why you dump it in there.
Yep. There, let me move that. And I'll move yours too so that you can move your bowl.
Miss Cinda.
Good job, Ben.
Got stuck. Okay, we're done.
Good job. Okay.
Done with that.
Good job, guys. Okay, now what I'm going to do is we're going to mix our liquid ingredients in there. Yep. So put your bowls right here. Okay, boys and girls, what we're going to do is put our liquid ingredients. So you'll make just a little center in the middle. See how I'm making just a little center in there? Bless you. I'm going to make a little center. And then now we're going to add our wet ingredients. Okay? So you're going to take, let me read the recipe, boys and girls, because we want to make these yummy. Okay, we're going to need 1/4 cup of agave. So here's agave, and agave is a natural sweetener. Nope, we got to get our little cup. That's the 4. See what a 4 looks like? That's what a 4 looks like. Okay, hold the 4. Oh, wait, guys, you forgot to add your spices. Can you put your spices in there and mix that up first, Ben, and I'll do their agave. Here's your 4th. Okay?
My 4th.
Travis, do you want to pour this in there for her?
Yeah.
Okay, fill this cup up with a 4th and then put it in the middle.
Is it really, really easy to come out quick?
Yes. See how fast it comes out? And fill it all the way to the top. Fill it all the way to the top. Okay, Cadence, hold yours, and we'll let Ben fill yours for you, okay? And then we're going to need, let's see, a 4th. Then we'll need maple syrup after that. Keep going, little bit more. Little bit more. Good job, okay?
Dump that in.
Now, you want to fill Cadence's? Hold it over. Hold it over your bowl. Boys and girls, you want to hold it over your bowl because in case you spill it, it spills inside your bowl because that's where you want it anyways, right?
Yep.
That's right. Okay, here. Let me put some maple syrup in for you.
No.
And you want, boys, you can measure. Find your teaspoon and you pour your vanilla. Put 1 teaspoon of vanilla, boys. Here you go.
1 teaspoon.
Travis, can you find your teaspoon and put 1 teaspoon of vanilla?
I need a towel.
Oh, you need a towel here.
1 teaspoon.
Yes, and see it says 1 and TSP. That's 1 teaspoon. Just a minute. She's got to put this in. So you can do that yourself. Oh, you know what? Wait a minute. She'll hold it because I see what you're doing. Okay. There you go. Okay, you want to hold the teaspoon for Ben now?
Here you go. You can hold that straight.
You got it? You guys got it? Oh, you guys are so good. Yay. And Ben.
Dump that in.
And Ben, I love how you're helping Cadence.
See how I did
That's
that
so
for her?
nice.
I put it in.
And Travis, I love how you're helping Christiana.
we gotta
That's
mix
so
it. Need
nice.
some more
Now mix it up,
Here.
and then we're gonna make
make
them into little cookies. I'm gonna clear our workspace and get our cookie sheets on, okay?
Wait. We're gonna get
No, you can mix it up. Mix it up. Use your spatulas and mix it all up.
our wooden spoons.
Oh, you can use a wooden
this
spoon
is
if you
us.
want, or you can use a spatula. You can just mix it up,
Mix it all.
okay?
Mix. We don't have enough ingredients.
What?
I really like mixing.
You do?
Whenever it's time to mix some stuff together, I ask Mommy if I can do it.
Oh,
Miss Cinda,
she does? What?
need more wet ingredients.
Oh, I think you'll make balls. I think you'll be able to make some balls in that. But you know what? And boys and girls, if it's not quite, if it doesn't stick together, then you can just add a little bit more maple syrup.
My mom makes noodles.
She does? Oh, I love homemade noodles. Okay, let me see your dough, because you want to make sure. Why don't you get your spoons and see if you can make these into a ball. Oh no! That's our kitchen timer! We have to hurry! And you know what, boys and girls? Miss Cinda's already made some, so you'll get to taste them, and then we'll bake yours.
I love tasting.
And then we'll put yours in our oven and bake them, okay? Okay, what you want to do, guys, is roll them into a little ball now.
I'm still going.
Can you roll them into a little ball? You can use your spoons if you want.
Cinda.
What?
We turned into a tasters.
Oh, you're going to turn into tasters?
Yeah.
Okay, can you make a little bowl? Oh, here.
Taste ours.
There you go.
We're done, right?
Want to get it? Make a little bowl and put it on your cookie sheet. Oh dear, is my words just coming out blah 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 blah. Okay, you got some. Oh, these are good. You can make them a little bit smaller, okay?
I can't make it.
Oh, here, let me help you.
Miss Cinda.
Go, just a minute, Travis. Let me help her make one. Can you make yours into a little ball? Okay, roll it into a ball.
Like this, Miss Cinda?
Look. Oh, that's okay. And I bet it's yummy. I bet it tastes yummy. In fact, once you get some more dough and make one more, okay? Can you make one more? And Miss Cinda's gonna get my cookies. Because who wants to taste one? Who wants to taste one? Here. Well, there you go. Here, Cadence.
My hands is yuck.
Oh, dear. You want to taste one? Oh, Cadence, you want to taste one? Well, I'll clean your hands. You can just taste one first. Oh, that's our kitchen timer. That's all the time we have for now, boys and girls. Remember, anytime you can be in the kitchen, it's fun.